In this video, you're gonna learn how to make a toaster using Blender in just 60 seconds. And I use this toaster in a game I made called Bread Battles. You can play my game and or download this toaster asset completely for free using the links in the description. Remember, if you don't have Blender yet, go to their website and download it for free. It's also open source. So let's create a toaster using Blender. We are going to create a new file, delete everything and create a new cube mesh. Scale it to be taller than it is wide, and we will add 2 loop cuts to add more definition. Extrude the top faces and scale it inward to create the top part of the toaster. I will scale the entire mesh a little more to get it just right. Next, we will add some loop cuts facing the bottom and select the faces underneath closest to the front and back. Inset them and then extrude them down to create some legs for the toaster. Then we will create a new loop cut at the front of the toaster. Click the face and inset it, and then extrude it outwards to create this handle thing. Then scale the outside face of the handle to make it look better. Now select the top face of the toaster and extrude it inwards to create the inside for where the bread goes. We will create another cube mesh to become the divider. Now we have to create the colors. Black for the handles and legs, and a light color for the exterior. I added 3 more loop cuts and scaled it closer together to create this part of the toaster. And congrats, you have created your very own toaster using Blender. Remember that you can download this toaster asset for free right now using the links below. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. I put a lot of time and effort into these videos, and seeing your positive feedback is pretty motivating. Let me know what I should make next by commenting down below, and check out some of the games I've made. Your feedback will help me make them better. Thanks for watching, and see ya.